These are some typical scenes from today's cities. Concrete jungles are expanding while natural areas are getting smaller and smaller. Integrating greenery into urban cities is important for quality of life and well-being of people living in a city. Therefore, we came up with the question how to integrate greenery into urban cities for a sustainable future. This is necessary for people's health because studies from the University of London have shown that people living in cities are approximately 3 times more likely to suffer from depression than people living in greener areas. Research from the New Mexico Department of Health confirms this. Spaces in modern cities are used for commercial and residential purposes, and as a result, they usually don't take nature into consideration. This leads to decreased mental health, productivity, and well-being. Another important aspect of cities is the significantly higher air pollution in urban areas than greener areas. Again, this leads to health problems. For example, breathing the air in Mumbai is the same as smoking 100 cigarettes a day. All these problems can be improved by integrating greenery into cities. Given these problems in urban cities, here are some solutions. One idea is to plant trees and other plants on unused streets and sidewalks. The most suitable trees for urban environments should be fast-growing and evergreen. This is to reduce the plant litter produced by deciduous trees. We also want fast-growing trees so you have a fast improvement. Planting trees in such a way that there is space for trees and renovating existing streets to include trees is very important. These could be done by city planners and councils. Individuals can also help with this initiative. Modern flats are built with balconies which are mostly unused. These areas could be used for mini gardens and flats. This is not only good for reducing carbon emissions, but it's also aesthetically pleasing. It's also an excellent hobby as it is not too hard to do and brings well-being to people. Another obvious problem in a city is that all agriculture is done outside the city and brought in on trucks and other vehicles which increase carbon emissions. Producing food in the city itself in urban farms and home gardens with grow bags can be a solution to this problem. Protecting already existing parks and greenery by placing bans on slight construction near or on them is an excellent way to stop greenery from further decreasing. Green areas like outdoor gyms are also recreational areas for people to improve their well-being and health. As you can see, there are different rates for air quality in urban areas and rural areas. If we all work together and everybody does something small, this can have a huge impact on improvement of greenery in urban cities for a sustainable future.